Hey everyone, Italo here from Roia Moto, and what I have here is the simplest, most versatile and quickest to use trail jack for your motorcycle. It's ready to go right out of the box, no assembly required. Just press the spring-loaded button, adjust the height, and you're ready to lift. It is extremely versatile. In its lowest position, you have a total height of 25 centimeters. And if you load it up to the highest position, then you get 43 centimeters and you have 5 intermediate steps in between. So this really makes sure that you can find a good spot on your motorcycle, either to lift the front or the rear wheel. Built from a high-quality aluminum alloy, this trail jack is able to lift some of the heaviest adventure motorcycles out there while being extremely lightweight at the same time. It weighs only 149 grams, extremely lightweight, very compact, and of course it fits perfectly inside the Roia Moto toolkit. On the bottom, we've added a high grip rubber foot that is slightly wider than the body of the trail jack. That means that you get better grip and a wider contact area, especially useful if you're working on softer terrain. The best part is that everything you need is contained into a single unit that you are seeing in here. That means that you have no additional metal clips, you have no additional strap, no additional pegs to carry anything. Everything that you need is just in one place for you to carry. Now the cradle head can be removed. If for whatever reason you have a tool bag or the way you want to store requires to remove the head, you are able to do that. And the Velcro itself is positioned here on the inner tube, and with the cradle head everything gets locked in place. So a very neat solution, everything in one place. If you have any questions about the Roia Moto Trail Jack, just drop a comment down below or reach out to us at roiamoto.com. Thanks for watching guys, ride safe, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.